Yagni benta jonga kubor la OneRaज भी दका फटाफट online shopping store.
Kesorkar pedeng henne kesengi kalai terik unaitung kala pentip baladon kumbalai lak nyop kendai hajar praspa kendai pu arngut ki belakoi no jingpang coronavirus hakri India. Kan hadu kani kesengi ke India kadon arlak arpenyo hajar saus palai kendai teli ki active case. Haba phai chika jela Meghalaya kan hadu papenmi ya kani ke kubor hakini ki arpasau kenta ke jela Meghalaya kala don rengut ki bayo thamayo COVID-19. Ne pedeng kini ki rengut langut ki dei ki bayo jantam bat ki belayo yu COVID-19 bat kini ki dei na Riboy district Arngut kide ki Shipai BSF na East Kazil district but iwe pat ide ibo one pine Delhi but idon hatura menta da ka jingo thamai kini ki hindre ngur ke jela Meghalaya hadu papenmi ekani ka khubor kadon repu artali ki positive case khat pratali ki active case sau pulai tali ki recovered case lade ki blakot no but we blaklat no.
And the total number of active cases with us now is 18. The number of samples sent for testing 20,182. And number of persons tested negative is 19,920. As of date, the number of people under institutional quarantine is 517. And number of persons who have been contacted through IVRS is 3,266. Number of entrants from outside of Meghalaya till date is 19,636.